Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's brand new. I hope you like it. Today we're just sorry about all this mess. But we're gonna dig out some calculators, like literally dig them out. And I'm gonna show you guys a few tricks with the calculator, really just one trick before you take your test today. So what I like to do when I am starting a math test is I like to start with a clean, fresh face. Like I just feel like the math just sticks better when you do it that way. So like I have my clean face and I am ready to apply my math. So we're gonna start with this calculator here. This one I feel like is the easiest to use. And I really hope I'm like in the camera and stuff because I don't really know what I'm doing. So let's say I have like the number 25. It's a nice round number. It's not really round, but you know, it's a number. So let's say I have the number 25 and I want to find the square root of that number. If I were doing it, what I would do with this calculator is I would hit the square root button. It's that button right there. And then I've got, oh look, the square root of 25 is 5. That means 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, great, we got that. All right, now the problem comes when you have like all these different types of calculators. You've got different brands, you've got different, I don't know. There's a whole lot out there to choose from. So, and anybody ever notice like Texas Instruments, TI, like they totally have a monopoly on the calculator market. Like, is nobody competing with them? What happened to Casio, guys? Like, seriously. All right, so this calculator I have had since like the mid 2000s. It's vintage. And this one, if I were to put 25 in, then I would push this button with a little radical sign is like the fancy term with the square root sign and the X under it. I push that and I would get my 5, okay? But that doesn't really apply to you guys because you don't have that calculator. Just in case, it's just to show you all calculators are a little bit different and you gotta play with it to figure out how it's gonna work before you start, you know, your test. All right, so finally we have this guy right here, which is the one that we use the most often in our classes. So what we're gonna do for this, I mean, what I like to do, hopefully you guys can see this, is if I type in 25, I can't just like square, you know what? Actually, I never tried this. Let's try. I push that button and then I'm gonna push, I don't know if you guys can even, let me try to focus it. I don't know if you guys can even see, but there's like a little, and I have shaky hands, but there's a little tiny bluish purple radical sign there. So if I push that, 25 square root, it doesn't work. So what that means is this calculator is a giant pain to use, but it's what we have and it's what we're gonna use. So if I wanna find the square root of 25 or any number, I'm gonna push this blue button right here. And then what I like to do is I like to push that X squared because that's where the radical sign is. And I like to get the right answer. I don't know about you guys. And that gives me, hopefully you can see, it gives you the radical sign and then a little parenthesis. So then I'm gonna put 25 and then I'll hit enter. And I should have a 5 right there. So anyway, good luck. Hopefully this will stick with you. And if you ever wanna rewatch it, you can as many times as you want so that you know what to do and you can get answers right on your test. Okay, thanks, bye. Don't forget to subscribe and push whatever little bell or button you're supposed to so you can get notified every 5 to 10 years when I post. Okay, thanks, bye.